Your experience matters to us, and sometimes that experience doesn't look like a college classroom. It might look like years spent working in your field or on-the-job training. Our prior learning assessment program gives you the ability to earn college credit from your work experience by having your sponsored professional training evaluated or by taking part in our experiential learning credit workshop, a self-paced series of 5 modules that walk you through the process of writing an experiential essay that aligns the learning outcomes of a course in your degree program. Maybe you've worked in law enforcement and have had training requirements for your job. Or perhaps you've worked in your company's human resource department for many years and you can effectively demonstrate your knowledge of the topics covered in Business 303 by writing an experiential essay. It's also possible to earn credit to fulfill some of your elective requirements by becoming a CHAMPS peer mentor and supporting fellow UAGC students. Bachelor's degree students may have up to 30 PLA credits applied to their program's major courses or electives. So if you want to learn more, or you have experience you want to tell us about, visit the PLA Information Center in your student portal. Talk to your advisor. Use your experience to graduate faster and save money on your tuition.